Hey, welcome and thank you for joining me in this here presentation where we're going to be discussing the Keysy NFC RFID tag duplicator. Now this device is readily available to consumers on the market. In the US and most places, as far as I'm concerned, there are no restrictions to purchasing nor possessing this device. Many government agencies and businesses utilize keyless access control systems that are based on NFC and RFID. In this particular case, we're going to be using Anytime Fitness as an example of how easy it is to duplicate and clone a low-frequency RFID tag that we're going to use to then access the establishment. Anytime Fitness has been rated the #1 fitness franchise worldwide. Now, with the Keysy, there are actually two ways that you can use this key fob. You can use this to copy and then clone a tag, or you can simply copy a tag and use this device to then transmit that code at the push of a button to an RFID reader, so long as it's low frequency, thereby gaining access to that access control system. So this is very impressive, and this is a cheap device. It's under $100. Anybody can buy one of these on the internet. There are other devices available which require more knowledge in coding to be able to accomplish to the same effect as the Keysy. For example, there's the Proxmark 3. You can read and write NFC RFID tags with this, both low frequency and high frequency. But we're going to be focusing on the Keysy. So with that being said, we're going to take a key I was given by Anytime Fitness that we're going to clone. So the way that this works is very simple. We're going to take our original key. We're going to hold down this button here. We're going to hold down this button. And what's going to happen is we're going to have a red light flash, and it's going to then turn green, which is going to indicate that the tag has been copied successfully to the Keysy device. If that light doesn't turn green and turns orange, that means that there is a miscommunication or a reading error, or there could be possibly something wrong with the tag. After copying this key code, we're going to take a brand new key and we're going to program that key with this Keysy by pressing the button 5 times, at which point we should also get a green light if our key has been copied successfully. So let's go ahead and try this. We're going to hold the key down, hold the button down on this Keysy, and then we're going to have our RFID tag here that we're going to line up with the light, with the LED light at the top of the Keysy. From there, we're going to copy this key. So we got flashing, and we got a green light. So now we have our Anytime Fitness key on this device. If we wanted to, we can go to any Anytime Fitness location, take this key and simply hold that same button we just held down, okay? And we can use that to open up Anytime Fitness and gain access to their access control systems. But what we're going to do here is we're going to actually copy this key. So we're going to push this button 5 times to transmit code that we just copied to this brand new key. So here we go. So we got flashing and we got green. All right. Our original Anytime Fitness membership key has been successfully copied. And now we're going to take a look and see how our duplicate key gets us into Anytime Fitness.